Yeah?
Yeah.
Holy shit.
Holy shit, I'm so glad I got out of the water. Thanks for telling me. That's a fucking snapper.
My foot would be gone.
Holy fuck, yeah, my leg would be gone. Look at him, he ain't even scared. Holy shit. No matter how many drinks you have, you can't get away from that sucker, man. I'm videotaping him right now. Holy mother of God, he's huge. Look at him.
Move.
Take pictures. I can't, I'm videotaping him. You move. The boat's moving. Don't knock my phone out of my hand. Holy shit, look at him. He don't even care that we're here.
Oh my gosh.
Holy shit. He's not even that big, really, compared to how big they get. I've caught one on a
I
fishing
know
line
you're not, but that's the biggest one I've seen for a long time.
Holy shit, he ain't scared at all. Look at him. Oh yeah, you move, you big motherfucker. Go underneath the boat. Holy balls. He could have took my leg off. I didn't know he was there. Fuck. Holy fuck. Where's he going? I'm going to the other side. Where's he going? Come on out. Holy balls, I'm glad you were watching. Holy. Can I say holy one more fucking time? What I shouldn't say it on my video. Could never let your parents watch the video. Where'd he go? Where is he? Where is he? See him?
Holy.
You watch for him. I'm going over here.
Get out get out.
I'm not getting out. Get out. Kiss my ass.
Oh my word.
Where'd he go? He's hiding. See, he was waiting for my leg. Where'd he go? What are you doing? I climbed up so fast, the thing's laying on the ground. Oh, here he is. Here he is. Oh, look at, he's going after the thing on the bottom.
Is he?
Oh no, there he is. Get out of here, you little bastard. Yeah, go, go, go. Look at him go. Look at him go. Holy shit. Oh, he's gone now.
Wow.
Wow, I don't want to be in the lake anymore. That's it for me. Holy.